Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to restart Vivo phone without using the power button. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now on this page, just scroll down and tap on accessibility. From here, just scroll down and tap on accessibility menu. From here, just enable accessibility menu and tap on allow. Now just tap on OK. Now once you do that, just tap on the accessibility icon at the side of your smartphone. And from here, just tap on power. Now once you tap on the power icon, the power menu will open. And from here, you can restart or power off your smartphone without using the power button. Just like that. And this is how you can restart your Vivo phone without using the power button. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.